Welcome to Mr. Brandt's 5th grade Everyday Math Review. In this lesson, we're going over 6.7, measuring volume by displacement. We're going to try to make this a quick video. We're just going to go over a review of the formulas for volume. And remember, there's two of them. So we've got volume equals length times width times height. And we can also go with volume equals big B times height. And remember, big B is the area of the base. The area of the base. And then another thing that, so with those, you're going to use those formulas to help you answer the questions on your home link tonight. And then another thing that I want to point out is that volume can measure solids, and it can also be measuring liquids. So if we would have 1 centimeter cubed, that equals or is the same as 1 milliliter. So the centimeters cubed is going to be used more often for solid objects, and the milliliters is going to be used more often for liquid. So keep that in mind when you're answering the questions on your home link. And with that, let's go ahead and jump down to the practice problems. And the practice problems they have for this one are a couple of fraction multiplication problems. So the first one we're going to do is 1/3 times 5/6. And remember, the quick algorithm is just multiplying the numerators together. So 1 times 5 is 5. 3 times 6 is 18. So 1/3 times 5/6 is 5/18. And another problem, we could do 2/5 times 3/7. 2 times 3 is 6. Forgot my equal sign. So again, 2 times 3 is 6. 5 times 7 is 35. And we get 6/35. That was a very quick video. Hopefully it will help you on your home link, and we'll see you next time.